begin to.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I need you, I'm needy, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, feeling more than right in his care. So I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, feeling more than right in his care. So I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. I'm getting chills when they tell me you're not yourself. Trying to move, but it's hard, I'm out of breath. Nothing belongs to you in life. Oh, the picture of you cuts like a knife. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, they're running in circles, circle of fools. Whatever we will miss, got nothing to prove. But in the dark I'm starting to. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, we're running together, I'll be here for you. Whatever we will miss, we'll find something new. But in the dark I'm starting to. I'm missing what's you. I see your face, your mouth looks like mine. tend to dream, surrounded by ghosts in white. And nothing belongs to you in life.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning. It's not a morning. Good afternoon. Welcome to the new vloggy. Welcome to the new vlog. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Pinky and I go by the name Pinky_Mami. In this channel, we vlog, we do motherhood, we also hustle, lifestyle content here and there. But hustling is the main thing in this hustler trade, and then we do them in the form of vloggy. For new subbies, welcome darlings. This is home. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. If you haven't liked this video, like darling, what are we doing? What are we doing? Relationship ya ka lona ke eng ha ba also like a video. And most importantly, guys, don't skip ads, because that's how we generate our revenue. So if you have been here, you have hopped on the hustler train. Boza yaka o boza ya di boza sana sam o bona wena also guys, I am so happy. I'm in my happy mood, honestly. Yesterday life in it held me by the throat, like hi guys, when he go, I did not wake up. I slept the whole day. But today, never I'm gonna wake up and face my problems like this. Vlogger. So guys, I'm outside. We are buying mautwana. For those who don't know, Hustler Mom is selling mautwana. I'm selling chicken pieces. Hey, the business is expanding, Luna. I'm going for gizzards, hearts and livers, chicken livers, but basically chicken, meat, chicken, everything. Like my chicken, it's okay. It's okay. I don't have a problem with it. So reto stock ahead today. And the other thing that we are doing, guys, I still want that vase. Yeah, Mr. Price. I don't know if I'll get something. The other thing I want is sports bra. I don't know, but let's see what this day holds for us. Okay guys, in this vlog we are going to learn. Again, now we have analyzed our area. We have seen about, okay, people need this and this and that. Now we have confidence to sell. So now we are going to talk about approach and presentation. Approach and presentation or packaging. Okay, how do you package your products? How do you approach customers now? That's what we are going to learn in this vloggy. Otherwise, people laughed my lipstick, but kirekile signature ne. But now I don't see the shade on the color whatever, but kirekile signature. But I'll try to check and put it next to me, or palm, in the shade palm. Sorry, palm ne signature. And the pen I bought it at Take a Lot.
I'm getting chills when they tell me you're not yourself. Trying to move, but it's hard, I'm out of breath. Nothing belongs to you in life. Oh, the picture of you cuts like a knife. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, they're running in circles, circle of fools. Whatever we will Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, we're running in circles, circle of fools. Whatever we will miss, got nothing to prove. But in the dark I'm starting to. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, we're running together, I'll be here for you. Whatever we will miss, we find something new. But in the dark I'm starting to. I'm missing what's you. I'm missing what's you. Voices in my head are killing me. Oh, they're killing me. I'm sorry why, but torture. Oh, you look like a drink to me. Don't let me Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it. Somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you
loves, hi Zitantwa. We are finally back. I'm finally back. But I'm not even sure what I was doing. I'm not even sure I was vlogging. I was doing what? Oh, vlogger. So honestly, I'm back. I went to Total Sports. I got the sports bras, guys, that I can't show you. It's 300, two of them, ne? Yeah. So that's everybody fit, so I stopped by Woolies, guys. Will I lift this? I don't think so. Oh, ne. Hi, Woolies. Hi, Woolies. The other person asked me, Rona, how did I spend on the grocery last? Because I did not read honestly. But at Woolies, I spent 753 rand. Yeah. Actually, I wanted this only. Only God knows. I wanted this baby. My kids are back from school, so baras. So I got this, like 3 for 85 rand. I got 3 of them. And then Kingle fella especially, guys. And then Kabikitola this plain yogurts, 2 for 85 also. And then I got Kabikireka bread for the boys. Kabikireka this is 55 rand for 4. I got my tea also, a cinnamon. Guys, this is the girl of this house now. I wonder, I just want something that is bigger than this, because Enana Banka one day is gone. And then it was 6 rand with Cocoa Pops, guys. And then I bought them some buns, the burger rolls, hamper white, hammer burger rolls. Burger rolls it was 26 rand A1, but when you buy 2, you get 20% off. This is the one. How do anything irregularly like that, honestly? And this for myself. The breakfasting, guys. Even a breakfast outside. Or the day after tomorrow. And then, hey, this person. How do you taste winner? Winner man. Yeah, that's all we got at Woolies. It was 140 for 2. So I know I always bought them 800 what. So they were discounted honestly. Guys, let's meet tomorrow. What are we doing? Tomorrow we are going to fetch the luxury throws from Botswana. They are here. So I have been postponing to fetch them. I'll fetch them so that you can see how they look. We are going to compare them with the ones there by at home. We'll even try to put them on the bed, like then to take some orders. But as for now, I want us to analyze, to compare. I will also show you another fleece. I saw it on Mam Shembu's channel. I bought it long time ago. I was selling them for 700, but she said she bought it for 1,000. So I want to show you that luxury fleece. They are for that one for hair is dust pink, but mine is color. It's like marine color, but I don't know, guys. So let's meet tomorrow when we fetch the fleeces. I'm sure we'll meet on the road. But anyway, guys, I still love you. If you haven't liked this vlog, I don't know what we are doing, darling. I don't know what we are doing. But stop. Like the video now. You don't like this person. I love you guys. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Your parade, shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. Hey, please, what do I have to do to make you? It's you. it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing.
Good morning, my loves. Good morning on the Hustler Train. If you haven't liked the video, hi Sham, you deserve a kick. Why are you not liking my videos? I think like the light might not be good, because there's a light there. There's a light, there's a window, but there's also a light at the back, you see. And I'm so lazy to move around, take a chair, what. Let me see how it looks. But I think it will need me to, side somehow. The bedding is still the same, just like last time. I haven't changed anything, but one subscriber said, can you remove the gold cushions and put the brown one in the front so that they can complement this? And Asham, you were right, my darling. It's so nice, it's so cute. So not all advices are bad, honestly. And I was so happy. I went like, I'm gonna do it. And I think I'm gonna find the other brown cushion, scatter cushion, so that they can be 3. I think I'm gonna do that for her, just to do that look that she wanted. Is it he or she? I don't know, I did not read. So guys, I was talking about presentation and packaging. Now you have a product. For example, you have this perfume that you are selling. Now you want to sell perfume. How do you package matters a lot. How do you package this perfume when you deliver to customers matters a lot. What you will get to customers is not only for the perfume lasta, but also the packaging will capture the customer's interest. If you deliver, like this. And yet now you are delivering. Remember, business is a competition. You don't give me a reason to buy from you. You don't. If you are going to deliver your perfume with Etsikamu, you don't give me the reason to buy from you. You don't give me the reason to be unique from other people who are selling perfumes. Ne? Number 2, here is Lerato. It's just an example. I get all an pinky. Hasla mom. Lerato, when she delivers to you, she is doing like this, and she has a beautiful message and whatever when she delivers the same perfume. Do you see now? It has a different tone. Jonganu pinky hasla mam, nangu pinky hasla mam, nangu Lerato. Yabo. So the packaging and presentation matters a lot in the business. Be on your A game. This is not your uncle's farm. This is the world. It's a fight. You fight for your life. You fight for poverty. So be on your A game all the time. Put effort. Don't just, That's what I was talking about. The other thing that I wanted you to see is the fleeces. Yesterday I went and collect the fleeces, guys. Guess what? On my way back, I had to go and collect the money of the gowns. When I opened my boot, the other lady said, I want this luxury floor. So, like I'm saying, Botswana things, they don't stay. So I came with stock assistance. Remember, this was samples, ne? And also these ones, I begged my sister, or no, please don't call people now because I want to vlog, I want to show my people. So please, if you want to sell this, because the capital is too high for you to stock in Botswana and go to Botswana yourself, you'll make money, you'll make a living out of this. We're gonna put them on the bed and check the sizes. The quality is out of this world. Like, hey, they are heavy. So we're going to put them on the bed and compare them with the one that at home wants. The one that I said I saw Umam Shengu bought. She bought this and she said it's 1,000 rand. But this one is more bigger. I saw the size that she bought. This one is more bigger. So if ever you want this market, people will prefer you. You will never give them a reason to go at home. It's because they are heavy, guys. Whoa. So let's put and see how do they look so that they can go. I'm sure the customers they're gonna take this before end of the day. They'll be done. Also, these ones, I bought samples. This ones, I'm selling them for 600 rand. This was samples. I wanted to see how do they look. So it's very important for you to go yourself. I'm sending the runner. So I have to buy little samples and see and test the market. After I have seen, the market is here. Now, shoot and no, 20. Yeah, so this is 600 rand, ne? Yeah. Let's see how it looks on my bed. Do you see? Do you see this yummy baby? Do you see this luxurious baby? The overlay pin. The overlay pin, darling. Cool, do you see? They are all luxurious. Very nice. I love them. So this is how they look, my darlings. They overlap. Do you see what I'm talking about? So I mean business. I don't play. I bring my A game. I test the market a little bit. When it says, go hustler, ma'am, shooter. Okay? Very nice. Very nice. Love them to bits. Love them to bits. So the other one that was on the stop is this one. Owner has already paid. Akusadlala no. Yabana, when it comes to winter sheets, I'm telling you, these things are selling like peanuts. Once motwaba lay one, utam phone I want another one, because she can no longer sleep without this baby. It's like you guys are too close. I'm even lazy to put. They are selling like peanuts. Nastoko Saka, guys, I don't even have a problem. Even if you can say I'm no longer taking it, whatever, I don't have a problem because I have the market. Like the quality speaks for me. My product speaks for me. I will never ever buy a gown anywhere apart from me being me. You know? So, skenela that's one and once ke ba right in terms of money, I am going myself and stock like stock. Okay, yeah guys, if you have watched up until this far, thank you so much. I just want to finish my breakfast. Thank you so much, darling. You're such a darling. I appreciate you. I just want to relax and indulge in laziness today because tomorrow I am waking up at 3 o'clock a.m. That's how life is. Yeah. So I want to watch the vlogs and just indulge, just be lazy. That's all. So bye guys. I love you until I meet you next week. Okay. Bye.
Time and second chances, empty-handed.